You know, everybody around me is, I can't, I can't, I can't. That's all I hear. How about you can, you can, you can? If you want to be wealthy, then you have to think like a wealthy person. You have to think like you're rich. You can't think like you're poor or you would stay poor. You have to continue to strive. It's a mindset. Nobody is in no one's path. You're in your own path. Find different opportunities. Push yourself. Make yourself useful. Make yourself want to strive for better. Have a plan, have a strategy. Have your mind free and clear. And don't look back. Only move forward. Now, you are supposed to grow in 2025. You're supposed to be wealthy in 2025. You're supposed to do better for 2025. You're supposed to actually be successful. God said He wants you to try. God said to stop saying you're going to give up. God said there's wealth there, but you have to think beyond your negativity, beyond your fear. You have to keep pushing forward. Change your mindset. I I express to my kids about buying is important. But you know what? I used to say buy a house. Now I'm saying buy businesses. Buy businesses. Actually, small businesses can be cheaper than a home. There's homes, $1 million homes, more than $1 million homes. The average home now is 500,000 to 800,000 in some areas. So if you find a small business that's 100,000, and say you do like 3 businesses, that's wealth. But if you continue to think that you can't do it, if you continue to think that like a broke person, then you could be a broke person. You'll be a poor person. But if you think about being rich, you can become rich. Successful, wealthy. Just leave I can out of your vocabulary. Don't worry about what everybody else is saying because they're not walking in your shoes. Only you are. They're holding you back from what you can become and what you want to become. It's your time. It's your time. Comment down below if it's your time and do you accept it being your time.